Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw royalties from Storyblocks contributor payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw royalties from Storyblocks contributor payouts, start by logging into your Storyblocks contributor account. Navigate to your dashboard, where you can see your earnings summary. Locate the payouts section on the left-hand menu. Click on payouts to view your accumulated royalties. Before proceeding, ensure you have reached the minimum payout threshold required for withdrawal. If you meet the threshold, look for the Request Payout button. Click on Request Payout to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred payout method, such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. Select the payout method that best suits your needs. Enter the necessary payment information, ensuring it is accurate. Review your payout request details carefully before finalizing. Once you confirm, your payout request will be submitted for processing. Wait for confirmation that your payout has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your payout status. Be aware that processing times may vary depending on your chosen payout method. If you experience any issues during the process, consult the Storyblocks Help Center for assistance. After receiving your payout, make sure to track your earnings regularly through your dashboard. This will help you stay informed about your future royalty payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.